Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Daniel bin Farisan Azmi, a cybersecurity student from Uni KL MIIT, and my project is the file sharing web application with cryptography. As the name proposes, this web application does provide the function for file management, user management, and also file sharing. So the research does started by pointing out two problem statements, which is the first one about the data confidentiality, and the second one is about the data integrity, which is both has been elaborated in my research paper. And the target user for this web application is to an organization who seek to store their files securely. And to solve these two problems, I have implemented two main functions or main security parameters, which is the first one is the encryption to solve the data confidentiality, and the second one is the integrity check to solve the data integrity problem. And both of these main security parameters is falls under the cryptographic area. And to note that this project is not only about implementing and developing the file sharing application, implementing the cryptography function, but also to perform a research and study on which algorithms among all this bunch of algorithms that suits the requirements for our file sharing web application, considering the security, considering the performance, and considering the environment for our file sharing web application, where users commonly does prioritize the performance over the security. And by that, we have concluded to choose the encryption algorithms, which is the AES-128 key bit, and for the integrity checks, which involve the hashing algorithm, I have choose SHA-256. As you can see, this is the main flow of this web application. You can read it, and without further ado, as you can see, this is the main login page for this web application. And to mention that I have developed two type of roles with two different page, which is the first one for the employee page and the second one for the admin, which of course have more privilege over the regular employee page, which allow the admin to manage the user, to delete them or to edit their information, and also to manage their file, which involve deleting the file, while the regular users only allowed to upload the file to the web application. And let's see. This is the main dashboard for this web application, file sharing web application. As you can see, this is the data tables for all the files that have been uploaded to the web application. As you can see, all the function that I have implemented and developed, and to point out the main function for the upload and download process, which involve the security parameters. Okay, let's say we choose a file to upload. Let's say this Upachara file, and all this file will be uploaded to this local server, which is, as you can see, this is all the files that have been uploaded. Let's say we uploaded this file. Okay, now I think it has been uploaded. As you can see, the Upachara has been uploaded just now, and the file is uploaded to our local server in form of crypto file, because the original file is in doc, but after the encryption, the file has been stored in our local server in form of crypto, which means the file cannot be read in case of the server has been compromised, as this is very important to preserve the data confidentiality. The second one is about the data integrity. To demonstrate the data integrity, I will try to download this file. Let's say I try to download it to our desktop. Okay, now the file has been decrypted and also have been performed an integrity check, which will read the hash value of the file to confirm that the file is authentic and has not been tampered. Hence, this proof that this file is authentic and we have solved the data integrity problem. And then move on to the admin page. We can see this is the main dashboard, where we can add the admin, manage the admin, edit their information, and also even delete their account. And also we can manage their files, and most importantly, we can see the history login, where we can see the IP address and what time they log into our system. And this is very important for the sake of security. I think that's all for this web application. Thank you so much.